So, good morning. We back working on the same scooter. So back with the diagnostic. Put a new battery in there. Went to crank it. Found the crank. So we know we're getting fire. Open this up. I see fuel on to go. Now that the side panels off, we see we have wires pulled all out. So this come to a whole electrical problem. Put a new wire harness on everything. We're gonna be wiring it up. Hope this thing fire up, new carburetor, and then we'll go from there. Filling this up with that. So today we just bolted this back, the bracket, bolted the kickstand back on there, grind it and clean it up. Finish rewiring and hope to get this one out of here today. Now we figuring out more problems. See if that fixed the last problem and get this scooter running. So they don't have it. Alright. So now that we got it all running, you can actually turn the key, hit the switch. Turn the key. So right now, after I welded the rack, I have put some marks on here, so we're gonna remove the fender. We're gonna do a touch-up paint job right quick. Something real light, nothing too much, nothing too major. Another one too many customs. Now we're gonna pop off this part. We're gonna touch up these little pieces right quick. Sand them down, prep them up. Old, new paint, old. You see it. Time to put the tail back on, head back on, everything goes. Let's see if we can get all done. Keep it on too. Oh yeah, I know that's dead. What? What? I left the key on for hours. Time to reinstall real light. Okay, but right now it's running. Main concern, repaint it. $1,827 miles. And this is another one. About to get back with one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I gotta bring your panel back. I was at the shop, but I ended up taking this off. I repainted it because it had the sparks on there. I did your top over, repainted this too. I repainted all your panels again.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you.
How you feel? Satisfied customer?
I'm tickled to death.
Another satisfied customer.